loving the feather trend. We're going to show you how you can save some money and DIY some great styles using feathers. Julia Grieve is here from Pre-Love. Know-how with her. So feathers have been hot for quite some time now, and there's just a sense of fun that comes with feathers.
That is exactly what it is. It's a fun. I mean, I think it's a spin-off of seeing all that fur trend we saw, right? Fur, neck, fur things. So with the feathers, it's just a little lighter, so it can transition you from spring right into fall, and really just giving it just a little more fun. You know?
Absolutely.
So there's different feathers that you should look for when you're starting to DIY. One of the easiest things is obviously the boa. We all know the feather boa, right?
So
you can
fun.
Pick it up. It's so much fun. It's easy. The great thing about a feather boa is all the feathers are attached onto a string.
Yes.
So it becomes very easy to work with. We can cut it. We can make little pom-poms. You can as well, like we did on the mannequin over here. I'll reference over to that, with it on the bottom of a skirt, which looks so fun, right? Just taking your basic denim skirt, adding the feathers on. It's simple. What I like to do as well is on a sweater. So you've got a sweater sort of lying in your closet. You haven't worn it in a while. Come on, let's put a little fun into it. Add the cuff.
Just on the cuff.
Exactly. Really, really easy. So
that's nice.
What you're going to want to do is you're going to cut the feather boa. Just beware of lipstick when you're working with the feathers. So the next thing you know, they're all stuck all over your face. So you gotta be really careful. You gotta go lip free. You're gonna take your sweater cuff, measure around. What you want to make sure you do is you actually stretch it.
Yes.
Because if you don't, you're gonna attach it, and it's gonna be too tight. You can't get your arm through.
Right.
So you just sort of stretch it around, measure it, and then you would cut it. So I sort of pre-cut it.
Okay.
And then here we go, Tracy.
You're actually gonna sew, are you?
I know. Have you ever? Oh, I just dropped my needle.
And there it goes.
Look at that. I got it. How often do you see me with a needle?
Well, now Julia is always on the show, and you know you've got a whole clothing line, you've got a store that's been around forever, and she doesn't sew.
Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. It's all lies.
So this is incredible that you're sewing right now.
It's like in and out, and you cannot make a mistake. No one sees your stitches.
Yes.
Because it's all mixed up with a feather.
Okay.
Right. So it's really, really easy. You know, that's about it.
That's
thick
my
needle,
kind of sewing.
Thick needle, thick thread.
Nice.
So that would be with the feather boas.
That's a half-hour project. You can do it at night, make a sweater for the night.
It's really fun, easy with the kids too, right?
Yes.
Like my daughter loves to play with it all. We put them on the bottom of her dresses. It's really fun.
Cute.
The other type of feathers that you're going to look for and find would be the loose leaf feathers.
Right.
So these are easy. You can pick them up in a craft store. Again, they're actually in the kids section. I thought they'd be in all like the lace feathers or, you know, in the silk flowers.
Right.
No, they're all in the kids stuff.
No, they're in the kids section.
So you can grab a bunch of the loose leaf feathers, I like to call them.
Yes.
And a lot of things you can do with that. One of my favorite, of course, is the earring. This is the, you know,
what a great idea.
rocking the feather earring again. It's back. It's so cute. Easy, easy. You can honestly make these in about 5 seconds.
And people are doing like just one.
Exactly.
You know, you
exactly.
Can be
so you can mix and match. So when I'm making them, what I like to do is to pick 2 feathers.
Okay.
So you're going to put 2 feathers together. Okay, this is where it's going to have to get serious.
Yeah, do what you need to do, Mama.
Okay, there we go. Crafton just got serious here. So you're going to take your little clasp, which is like a jewelry clasp at the end there, and you're going to put your 2 feathers inside of it. Easy. Handy dandy pliers, and then we're just going to squish that around.
And you can get these little jewelry kits
all at craft stores.
At craft stores.
Super easy. Then you're going to grab a little jump key. I know it's so tiny you can't see it. So
I have a hard time doing that with these, you know, monster nails, because this is as monster as it gets for my nails.
They look great.
But yours are the
there we go. There we go. And then you're going to hook in the little earring part.
Yep.
All in there. Bring in the pliers. Close up that jump key.
Who knew it was that easy to make a little earring?
I know.
Like your own little piece of jewelry that is completely customized for you.
Super done. There we go. Ah, got it.
There you go.
Ta-da!
Oh, it's so pretty.
I know, easy, right? So it's
Very
just put them together. Have fun. They just work perfectly.
I just ruined it.
Did you break it?
I just broke it.
You break it. Now it's yours.
So I will keep it.
You'll keep that one. Actually, I do have a cute little pair here for you. But you can do it with 1 feather, 2 feathers, and easy. And then they can also work as hair pieces. You see those people sort of clipping them into hair pieces.
I love that. Can I actually, I'm going to try one of these on.
They're really great.
Okay, so we also have that amazing shoe.
Okay, yes.
That you're going to, like, you're going to make it into a peacock.
I know. Do you think these are Chanel shoes? No, they're not. It's not this old black pump that I've had around forever. So this is a really fun. This is a big trend. You saw this on the runways.
Yep.
Really fun. So again, we're going to work with the loose feathers.
Okay.
And what you want to do is just sort of pick the colors that you like. I've already sort of gone with the black and the brown and the burgundy.
Those were good.
And you're
That was a
gonna
good choice there.
Start
I like
to
that.
create sort of a fan, right? You're sort of fanning out the feathers, working with different lengths as well. And you know, you're just sort of adding them together, creating a fan. Easy. Once you've got the fan that you like, then we are going to wrap a ribbon around it, is what I used. And then you can sort of see here, this is what it would look like when you're done. You wrap a
Nice.
ribbon around to hold it with a little bit of glue.
Yep.
And then there you go. You've got your fan. And then it's really simple. You're going to attach it to the bottom of the shoe.
So you would put it
Exactly,
here.
right there. Just about at the where the heel and the shoe match.
Look at
and
how
then you
pretty
just
that
add that
is.
on. Easy.
That is so
And then
cool.
also what's really fun too, with a hot glue, it stays, it's great, but you can remove it, right? You can sort of
Yes.
pull it off, change the colors up, and do it again.
This is so
I know,
cool.
aren't they great? They
I
just
love
look
it.
super with, you know, a little pair of short jeans or even like a
Yes.
leggings and this sort of popping through.
You bring really good, professional-looking, easy, low-budget projects to us all the time. So thank you very much.
Oh, those look great on you.
Aren't they good?
Those
Look
are-
at my feather
Yes, they're
earrings.
gorgeous.
It's hard to see because they're black, but I love them.